Your employee table stores managers too. So how do you join a table to itself? A self-join is exactly what it sounds like. You join a table to itself. SQL doesn't care that it's the same physical table. But since SQL needs two distinct references, you must give each copy a different alias. Those aliases let you refer to the left and right sides independently in your query. The most powerful use case is querying hierarchical or tree-structured data. Consider an employees table with 3 columns: employee id, name, and manager id, where manager id is a foreign key pointing back into the same table. To retrieve each employee paired with their manager's name, you join employees as e to employees as m, matching e.manager_id to meters.employee_id. This pattern works anywhere a parent-child relationship lives in one table: org charts, product categories, comment threads. The second major use case is comparing rows within the same table. You might need to find customers who placed orders on the same day, detect duplicate email addresses, or match each event to the one before it. Whenever the relationship you need exists between 2 rows of the same table, a self-join is the tool to reach for. Self-joins let a table reference itself. Always use aliases and think hierarchies or row-to-row comparisons. Subscribe for more PostgreSQL tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.